Welcome. Today I'm going to teach you delicious breakfast to start your day. Now this is my flour. I'm going to measure 1 cup. You see my cup. 2 cups. This is 3 cups. I hope you are seeing it. This is my flour. When we finish, we have to sift the flour, okay? To make sure that it's very clean. I hope you are there. Thank you for watching. You see the flour is very neat. But for our heads, we need to sift it very well. I'm using 3 cups of flour. Hope you are seeing it. I'm going to put a piece of salt. I put a piece of salt. I start putting water. I've measured the water, only but 1 cup. You mix it very well. Mix it very well. You make sure you mix it very well. I hope you are seeing. You add a little water to be sure. You see, you have to mix it very well. You add another water. So that there will be very free. Okay? Thank you for watching and God bless. You put another little water. Depending on the thickness. I hope you are getting me. There is a thickness you are looking for. So you have to mix it very well. You can see I have mixed it very well. To make sure there is nothing inside. Make sure it's very, very smooth. I hope you are seeing it. Thank you so much. After mixing it, we are going to leave it like 5 minutes. You understand? We leave it like 5 minutes. Now, this is my frying pan. You can see the frying pan are dry. And see the oil I'm using. You see the oil? I'm going to put the oil and lower my light. My light should be low. I put the oil. You see the oil? That is the nature of the oil. This is the oil I like using anytime I'm cooking. Remember, I'm teaching you healthy breakfast idea you can use to start your day. Very beautiful. We now put our tomatoes. That's why I said I should lower my light. Healthy breakfast idea you can use to start your day, okay? This is my tomato. Thank you everyone for watching. Now, this is my ginger. Fresh ginger. I said fresh ginger. This is my onion. Onion. Remember, your light has to be low, okay? On a low light, you see, make sure you mix it very well. On a low light, make sure your light is very low, okay? Now we go. Now, this is my green pepper. Green pepper. You put your green pepper, you mix it very well. Now, I have to bring my spring onion. You see my spring onion. Put my spring onion. I hope you are seeing it. Spring onion. This is the time for you to bring your pepper. You see my pepper. See my pepper and my carrot. That is why I love vegetable. I like cooking with vegetable. To be sure of what you are eating. Vegetable is good for your health. Okay? Remember I said your light have to be low. Okay? You mix it very well. Now it's time for you to put salt. A pinch of salt. I hope you are getting me. A pinch of salt. Please, can you subscribe to my channel? And the good Lord will bless you in Jesus' name. You have to test it to make sure it have a good taste. It's beautiful. Very good. The next thing we're going to carry is down. Now, as you have bring it down, you see it. So the next thing we are going to do is to put it inside the flour. See my flour? I'm going to put it inside. I hope you are seeing. Thank you for watching. God bless you. We're going to put it inside the meat flour. Okay? Thank you, everyone. God bless you. Now you're going to mix it very well. I hope you are seeing. Mix it very well. Take your time to make sure you mix it very well. You need to test it to make sure it has a good taste. I put a piece of salt so that it will have a good taste, okay? Thank you. When I finish putting my sauce, the last thing I'm going to put my curry leaf. Fresh curry leaf. I hope you are there. Thank you very much. God bless you. You mix it very. This is my friend pan. Be on a low light. And you make sure it's not stick on the pan. Okay? It must be on a low light. Make sure it's not stick on the pan. I hope you are seeing. You have to make sure it's not stick on the pan. And it must be on a low light. I hope you are seeing. The next thing is for you to do what? Turn the back. In a gentle way. You see the back. Okay? Make sure your light is very low. You see the back? You make sure your light is low, okay? You see? I put another one. Make it go around the pan. I hope you're seeing. Make sure it's on a low light, okay? On a low light so that it will not burn, okay? Thank you for watching. While you put it on the fire, you make sure it's not sticking. You can see it's not sticking. I hope you are seeing it. Make sure it's free on the pan. It's very free on the pan. You see? You can see the back. I've already turned the back. You see the back? You turn the front again. You make sure it's done very well. This is the time for us to remove it. It goes around the pan. Okay? Around the pan. Make sure it goes around the pan. Hello, this is my healthy breakfast reptile. Healthy breakfast idea that you can use to start your day. Very healthy. You can use it to start your day. Thank you for watching. Anywhere, anybody can use this to start your day. Thank you for watching and God bless you. Thank you. You can see it.